What's up, guys? Look at what came in the mail for the shovel, man. We'll open these packages. I've been waiting on this for a while, and I was building those pipes for the exhaust, but kind of like I found these. Comes with the brackets. Okay, I think I'll need those. Okay. Check this out. All chrome planks. I think I gotta weld so these are the upswept. These are the upswept, and I hope they fit on the bike. They kind of custom. So they kick up like this, and then yeah, they come up like this and then kick up like that, and this one had to clear the customs out here. Yeah. So these are 36-inch fish tails, so I can chop them down to match. We'll see. So basically, so we're gonna be kicked up like this, and then that's it. Oh shit, I got shit caught on fire and shit here from the candle. Y'all stop be lighting these candles and shit. Shit. Anyway, so this is what she's gonna look like, man. She's gonna be kicked up this way. Which way? Yeah, like that. That's what she's gonna look like. So I gotta do some fitment. I think I gotta do a couple bracketries here too, so just to get it fitted up. So we'll see. You guys stay tuned, and I'll show you some progress on the bike that I've been making on there. So we'll figure this out. So thank you, appreciate you guys.